Hypercar Haven welcomes you once again to a journey into the future of performance, design and electric innovation, and today we dive deep into a machine that has ignited global excitement since its first reveal. The Mazda RX Vision EV is not just a concept, it is the rebirth of a legend, a symbol of Mazda's determination to push boundaries, and a statement that emotional driving will continue to exist even in the electric era. As you watch this video, settle in because we are exploring everything that makes this car one of the most anticipated EV sports models in the world, from its evolving design philosophy to its performance-oriented electric platform and the promise of a modern reinterpretation of the rotary spirit. The RX Vision EV introduces a vision of purity in motion. Mazda's classic proportions return with a long hood line, a low-slung profile and a cockpit positioned just right for a traditional front-engined rear-drive sports feel, even though this model is driven by electric power. The stance is wide, athletic and intentional, giving the car a look that feels like it is ready to spring forward even at a standstill. Mazda's Kodo design language evolves into something sharper and more fluid here. Every curve seems to carry emotional energy, and every shadow adds depth to the car's silhouette. The surface detailing is clean but powerful, avoiding unnecessary angles while embracing the sculpted beauty that made earlier RX models so iconic. What makes the RX Vision EV particularly interesting is Mazda's persistent connection to rotary engine heritage. While this car is fully electric, Mazda has repeatedly made clear its commitment to keeping the rotary spirit alive, and that philosophy can be seen in the minimalist cockpit, the emotional styling cues and the focus on lightweight driving feel. Even though there is no combustion rotary under the hood, the driving characteristics are intended to echo the responsiveness and smooth power delivery that the RX lineup was known for. Mazda's engineers appear determined to make this EV feel like more than just another electric sports car. They want it to feel soulful, engaging and alive. Moving toward the cabin, the RX Vision EV presents a driver-focused interior with a balance of simplicity and modern technology. Instead of overloading the dashboard with screens, Mazda leans toward a clean layout that prioritizes the driving experience. The steering wheel is compact, the digital cluster sharp and clear, and materials surrounding the driver are premium, tactile and lightweight. Mazda's philosophy has always been to create a connection between car and driver, and the cabin reflects that philosophy. The seating position is low, visibility is intentionally focused toward driving engagement, and the control layout is designed to be intuitive without distractions. When it comes to performance, Mazda has not released full specifications, but based on the direction of the RX Vision EV project, expectations are high for a dual-motor or possible tri-motor configuration capable of delivering sports car-level output. Mazda has been quietly refining its EV platforms, optimizing efficiency, power delivery and weight distribution. The likely goal for the RX Vision EV is to create a balanced machine that offers instant torque, precise handling and a smooth, continuous power band reminiscent of rotary performance. Instead of brute force, Mazda's approach emphasizes an organic connection between throttle, chassis and steering. Battery technology will play a major role in this car's character. Mazda has expressed interest in advancing lighter battery materials and improving thermal management to enhance consistency during spirited driving. A sports EV needs more than just acceleration, it needs repeatable performance, cooling stability and a chassis that remains confident through corners. The RX Vision EV will likely benefit from Mazda's development of structural battery integration, enabling lower center of gravity and improved rigidity. This would allow the car to deliver responsive turn-in, stable cornering and the type of driving precision expected from a true RX successor. The features expected on the production-ready RX Vision EV will include all the essentials of modern electric performance cars. Fast charging capability will be a priority, ensuring that owners can get back on the road quickly. Advanced driver assistance features will likely be present, though Mazda traditionally tunes such systems to be unobtrusive and supportive rather than controlling. Connectivity features such as over-the-air updates, real-time performance monitoring and integrated smartphone compatibility will be standard. However, Mazda's focus remains on driving purity, so these features will never overshadow the car's mechanical sensation and emotional appeal. Mazda has long believed that cars should feel like extensions of the driver, and the RX Vision EV embodies this belief even as it embraces a fully electric future. It is not simply about electrification, it is about proving that electric sports cars can have soul, passion and individuality. Many EVs today focus on numbers alone, but Mazda aims to deliver character. From the steering feedback to the chassis tuning, every detail in Mazda sports cars is crafted to create harmony between driver and machine. The RX Vision EV continues that philosophy with a modern, electrified twist. As we look forward to the eventual production model, one thing becomes clear. The RX Vision EV is more than a design study. It is Mazda's declaration that performance, emotion and craftsmanship still matter in an increasingly digital world. It signals the revival of Mazda's most beloved sports lineage and invites a new generation of enthusiasts into the world of electric driving passion. Thank you for watching Hypercar Haven. If you enjoyed this deep look into the Mazda RX Vision EV and want to stay updated on more reviews, specs explorations and future performance machines, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a new video.